Gardening is a rewarding journey. It connects us to nature. It provides fresh, healthy food. Gardening is also a great way to relax and de-stress. Imagine stepping into your own green haven. The scent of herbs fills the air. The sun warms your skin as you tend to your plants. This is the magic of gardening. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a small balcony, you can experience these joys. Start small and experiment. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. The rewards of gardening are plentiful. You will learn new skills, appreciate nature's beauty, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Gardening is a journey of discovery. Each season brings new opportunities and challenges. Spring bursts forth with life as you sow seeds and nurture tender seedlings. Summer brings an abundance of blooms and the satisfaction of harvesting your own food. Autumn is a time for reflection as you gather seeds and prepare your garden for winter. Even winter has its own quiet beauty, a time for planning and dreaming of the seasons to come. So let's embark on this gardening adventure together. We'll explore the practicalities of soil preparation and planting. We'll discover natural ways to combat pests and diseases. Most importantly, we'll rediscover the simple pleasure of connecting with nature.